Hi guys, welcome back to my Naomi's Fake Cooking Show, and today we're going to make spring roll, and I'm going to teach you how to do everything by step. First of all, I have tofu with some soy sauce, but this one we use is less sodium and I don't know, and I think it's vegan as well. And then so this is this soy sauce, and then this one is soy sauce with sriracha. Just put a little bit on the plate, and then for the spicy one, you just put as much if you want. If you're more spicy, then add more. If you do not like it that much, just put a little bit. So I just let it soak for like maybe 2 minutes, and then we're going to turn this on to 400, so it'll cook a little faster. And then we're going to go ahead and put the tofu on the grill. Sometimes they fall apart because they're so soft right now. You can also I can't think of the
What
word.
are you trying to say?
You can also put paper towel and then
press the tofu.
There you go, press the tofu. I cannot find it.
You could also press the tofu and dry it out before.
Yeah, and then dip it with the stuff, and maybe you could get more liquid in it. And then we're going to put this not spicy one over here. And then we're going to lay them down. This. You can put the rest of the liquid on top and spread them around. And then on top of this one, and then you can hear the sizzling sound, and then okay, well this is cooking. I'm going to start telling you what I have already prepared. So in this tray I have carrots. So this is about like 2-3 carrots. I have a shredded about this much. And then cucumber. I have sliced mushroom. Bean sprout I rinse with water, so we'll clean the vegetable a little bit. And then I have not spicy and spicy already cooked. This is what they're going to look like when they finish. And then I slice them to 3 little pieces.
You slice each
Each
flat sheet into 3 pieces? To 3 strips? Okay.
Yes. And then I also have avocado right here, I already sliced. You can do this here. Slice. I have hot water and a little bit of cold water over here. And this is my rice paper I'm going to use. So for the dipping sauce, you could do peanut sauce, sriracha and soy sauce, fish sauce. A lot of people like fish sauce on there, and tuna sauce. But for me today, I did, I like spicy, so I did green onions, about 2 head of the green onion, 2 little head.
2 leaves of the green onions?
No, the little head.
2 whole green onions?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I have red pepper that is chopped up. It got HEB from fresh. Let me see, I get it. So we grow them, and then it's out of the backyard, so we pick them. They look like this. They look like this, and then, yeah. So I just chop them. And then I put a little bit of sesame seed, not too much, otherwise it'll get really strong flavor. Let's see, I put like half teaspoon of garlic in here also. Sometimes they're not easy to flip, but okay.
So you're just using a basic pancake roll,
Yes.
right?
Oh, this is not helping on me. Okay. So just flip them and look how they're nice and brown. And then we're going to do this one. Same thing. And then in a few minutes they'll be done. And then we're going to start our wrapping our spring roll. Like I said, they're so soft right now, so they're breaking apart really easily. Okay, well this is cooking. We're going to go ahead and prepare our spring roll. We're going to take one sheet of this.
What is that exactly?
This is rice paper. You can find them at HEB, like the Asian section. I think I got two of them. There you go. They look like this. Okay. And then we're going to dip them in the water for like a couple minutes. Not a couple minutes, like 15 seconds. I don't know. Couple minutes.
What are you looking for when you are flipping them out?
I'm looking for make sure they're soft, not hard like that. So let me show you in 3 minutes. Here. Like this. How it's like easy to move and floppy. And then I can put it on a plate. And then lay down. If you let it in the water too long, it will not work out really well. It's really soft and it's like you can see it a little bit now. And then go ahead add some cucumber, couple of carrot in the middle of this area. Some people like to do lettuce, and then they start putting the stuff in the lettuce, and then they wrap it.
So lettuce instead of rice paper?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then put some bean sprout. And a little bit of mushroom. Let's put the one. And then I'm going to do the spicy tofu. I'm going to lay them layer like this. So maybe fit 3. Okay, so it'll be like this. And I'm going to turn this down before it gets burned. Let's turn to 350 instead of 400. And let me see if this is done. Yeah, this is done now. I'm going to go ahead and just turn it off. And then I'm going to show you guys the rest, how to do the spring roll. Okay, and then I have my avocado over here. The reason I close it because I do not want the avocado to turn brown. So the seed help them to stay fresh and green. And then I'm going to use a knife. And just barely break it up a little bit so I could get that little piece of that thing. So I'm just going to lay them down. Like that. And then I'm going to scoop this back. Okay, Okay, and then I'm gonna start rolling the spring roll. I'm gonna take how's the line over here? I'm gonna take it from this side first, and then put it over here, and then take it from the other side and put it over here. Okay, so from this side, and then we're gonna go from the top and the other way, and then we turn it over, and then you can see, and then we can start rolling from this side. And keep going until you finish the roll, and then you can really see it. All the stuff's in there, and it's nice and clear. And this is really darker. See, has a difference between the water. And then we're gonna go. So, like I said, you could do with many dipping sauces you want. I did a spicy one today, so yeah. And I'm gonna try it out and see. It's really good. Thank you guys for coming and for watching my show. Hope you guys like it. And next time I'm gonna teach you how to make black bean to rice. And I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.